Yeah, okay. So buddies, how are you? Then actually, after a long time, first of all, it's better to say hi. So I was busy with a couple of projects last couple of weeks. So therefore, I wasn't able to update you with some more new machine learning models and some data sets, right? Uh, but I feel like it's better to share my experience with you. I was working with some uh, with a transportation and transport and logistic firm. So they wanted me to make a model. So I did my best. I think now they are depending on that model and address. They decided to not invest. So these type of vehicles in Sri Lanka, right? I will tell you some more information about this transport and logistic firm, right? Uh, the owner of that had an idea to invest money for this one, but with these prices and with these conditions, he decided to go back and rest. As a result, actually as a result of this model, because I have predicted that, right? Okay. So I'd like to tell you that I'm not good in web scrapping because this web scrapping and all the other parts related to these elements, HTML elements, were handled by um, RKG bar. So just I have prepared this model only, right? But today I'm going to show you. I learned this, and I'm going to show you how do we do bootstrapping with the help of R programming, right? Okay. So first of all, we will need library, harvest, and uh, library and deploy as well, right? Okay. So mm, combination of that. We will need some more libraries when we go forward. At that moment, I will discuss them. Oh, okay. No need to talk too much. I think it's better to go forward. HTML underscore uh, we want to read this HTML link, right? So this is my link. They asked me to. They wanted me to analyze this one. So give me one moment, right? Give me one moment. There is a telephone call. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm really sorry for that. Right, okay. Now we are ready to read this page. Let's check whether it's working properly or not. Uh, right. So in this, we can go forward. Page view inside that and HTML elements. Elements will be used. The method is expart. Expart is the method, right? Inside that, we wanna search it by class, right? Based on class equals, right? Okay, well, let's check. So you're familiar with this one, right? Uh, so I have scrapped ecman.lk, right? So then I click on that, expect. Now, now I want to use the cursor, right? Click on this. Now I'm gonna use it. The method is just class, right? Based on the class, so I have picked the class. This is the class, right? Okay. Now let's check whether it's working properly or not, right? Yeah, it's working, but we want to filter on the HTML text, right? So HTML underscore text, okay, parentheses. Now let's check that. Right, we could scrap all the vehicles, names of these vehicles with their generation and their year. So for now, I used to give priority for this year, and I used to eliminate this first observation is considered as an outlier, right? It's an anomaly, right? And we will put this into a grid, right? So first of all, I want to make it a data frame, right? Data dot frame. Uh, how do you call it? Let me call it. Let me call it. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna. Mm, yeah. I'm gonna rename it and rest. We'll see. For now, what will happen? We will have names with years, not only years, but also names of them. Year. Okay, name should be changed, but in advance, I think it's better to find out these prices and these places as well. Right, okay. In order to find out these places, actually, I think this has been changed. So let me run this again, and this has been updated, right, with these current observations. Okay, okay, that's all right. No need to worry about that. So what about this? Yeah, it's the price. So this is the class, right? This is the class, right? Let me call it price. This is data frame, right? Data dot frame equals, so yeah, can we do it like this? Df here, df price page HTML elements, right? Its path is used, right? We want to search it by class. by class, let it be equal with this one. Right, okay. Now let's check what about this data frame, whether it's working properly or not. If it is not, let's check what's wrong with it. Its path is, what's wrong with it? Yeah, actually I got to do something, right? Yeah, what is it? Unnecessary parents is there? No. But for that, then HTML underscore text. We need only text because that's the data frame, right? Yeah, okay. Now let's check what about the data frame. Okay, it's renamed with this one. Actually, last time I have added it, but this is not the proper way, right? Let me change this and let me concat them and we merge them. For now, I'll show you how do we collapse these two attributes only. Likewise, you can gain it, right? Actually, my target is to plot them on a map and analyze what is the market price, and before a couple of years what is the market price, and how do you evaluate these vehicles using on the these given details, right? I'm trying to find out the strategy behind this data set, right? So in order to uncovering that, we want to collect a couple of pages as well. For now, I'm going to show you how this is being done, right? At the rest, I will show you what is the model I have implemented, right? So it has been developed using the, I think, interface has been developed by uh, software developers, right? Uh, so I'm allowed to just show you that. So I think it's better to go through that address. Not today, right? Um, okay, now I wanna create data frame. Let me call it df1 because in advance I have created a df in this working directory, right? Then let's column bind or create a single data frame. Uh, data dot frame. It is with year, not only year but also price. Okay, I'm suffering from cold. Let me print it. df1. Give me only 1 second. I'm suffering from cold, right? Give me only 1 second. Yeah. That's all right. Uh, Today it's a little bit difficult to keep doing this continuously. I'm not quite in. I'm not in a good medical condition. Right. Okay. Somehow my data frame has been created. Right. Mm, this is what the data frame. So we want to eliminate unnecessary data as well. First of all, I'd like to rename this, right? Names function is used, right? Names df1. We have only two here. This one and the second one are renamed as you and the price. Okay, let's see what about the F1 now, right? Okay, it is renamed. I do not want to keep these first two observations there, so I will eliminate them, right? In order to eliminate them, I'm going to use this simply. First and second rows, they are eliminated. All the other columns are kept with them, right? Okay. Now you can see how it looks like, right? Another thing is, for now, I'll omit these grades, but actually, when we're talking about Toyota Prius, the generation and the grade is required. But for now, I'll keep these years only, right? Okay, the F1 year is I need strings extracted. Extract. The library is library string R, right? String R, then str extract. I'm trying to extract this here, right? Right. Okay. Let's see how we can extract this. Last four has to be extracted, right? Last four elements has to be extracted now. Let's see the result, right? Let me show the result. It looks like this one, right? Okay, here I want to eliminate. I want to convert this into a numeric value, but we will eliminate this RS, right? Right. Okay. So, like earlier, like the earlier one, we want to run another bias to prevent it from putting at the same position. Otherwise, all the other four elements, yeah, it doesn't matter. We have only four elements, and the rest we can get. Right. Now, I will convert this into a numeric one, the numeric value, right? What we can do. The same one is going to be used, str extract the F1 price. Okay, they are going to be okay. Let's use this one. 3, 6, 7. Okay, let's check. Uh, it doesn't work. What is the reason? Right. Okay. Then let's extract str extract. We will extract last couple of. So okay, it worked, right? It worked. Let me do this again. For price, df price, then this is nothing else. This is df price, and let it be equal with df underscore price. Right. Okay. Now we will allow df1. Actually, this should be corrected as df1, and df1. Right. Okay. Let's check it. Right. Now you can see that it's converted into the correct format, but still it is read as it is identified as a character, but we want to convert that into a numeric one. No need to worry about that. df1 price is converted into, yeah. Let me do this on another separately. df1 price. This is here can be time, right? Uh, yeah, I used to convert Paul into numeric, right? As dot numeric df1 price. Not only that, df1, but also, right? Start numeric df1 here, right? Let's check what about the data frame 1, how it will look like. It looks like this. Actually, I have taken only this data and I have scrapped on the first page, right? So in my model I have developed it using all these details they have updated, right? So Give me a few moments. I'm suffering from. Right. Okay. It's all right then. Uh, Let me show you how can be. I have developed lasso rich regression. Well developed lasso rich regression has been implemented, but here I do not try to do too much like that because it was commercialized. But here, yes, I want to give you the idea on the so right. Okay, this equal uh, data equals df1 uh, mapping was as 0 point. Give me a few moments, right? Give me a few. Yeah, okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Static uh, x equals. I think it should be and y equals with price. So now I do not try to label them. This is enough. So my model is not something like this, but it is a well um, developed model with all these details. All the details have been used there, right? So, but here I have scrapped only these two attributes, right? Even I have taken their grade. Grade has been considered only. Now you can see this one, it's an outlier, right? Seems like an outlier. Normally when it's a new one, the price has been increased, right? Now we can make a linear regression, right? Actually, in my case, I have predicted whether it has been sold out within only 1 month or not with the given price range, right? Actually, they wanted to just buy and sell these vehicles, so they wanted to predict what is the real market value, and in some cases like that, right? Okay, so for now, it's enough. I think you could get an idea about this. Right, okay. So see you later, right?